Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back to our Yoga Basics Learn a Yoga Pose series. Our next pose we're going to learn in this series is Bird Dog. So, as you may have guessed, Bird Dog is no different than a dog. When we're hunting and pointing at a bird, it's going to be similar to that. So, let's make our way onto our knees and our hands. So we're in table. We did this before in the previous pose that we did in our series, and that was our cat-cow. So still stacked, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. And then the way we get into the pose is on an inhale, we take our left leg straight back behind us, kicking through the heel, taking the right hand and arm out. Now modification, if you need to, you can drop the knee down and keep the toes curled under, but continue extending out with the right hand. And then exhale, just switch sides. Left knee goes down. Inhale, right leg back, left hand and arm out. And then again, exhale down, inhale out. And then exhale, switch sides. And again, when you reach out with the hand, make sure you're reaching out, open up the fingertips like you're shaking someone's hand, and kick back through the leg. We're trying to keep it parallel with the mat as best we can. And then exhale, release. All right. Thanks again for joining me for Bird Dog. Look up in the corner here. We'll have the next pose in the series of Yoga Basics. And then on the other side, we'll have our Yoga Foundations where we're breaking down the pose. Again, just trying to see where it feels in our body, what muscles are getting activated, alignment, right, integration in that too. Okay? Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.